Jesus.
A rare thunderstorm hit Las Vegas on Thursday night, triggering flash floods in the area which houses several famous casinos. Several parking lots and airports were flooded too. Videos shared by users on Twitter and other social media platforms show downtown streets turning into small rivers and water pouring into casinos. The National Weather Service, NWS, has issued flash flood and severe thunderstorm warning for the Las Vegas Valley. The Weather Service has asked people living in the area to watch out for heavy downpours, lightning, and strong winds. Another clip shared online shows water pouring through a hole in the ceiling of Planet Hollywood Casino on Las Vegas Boulevard. Staffers can be seen recording the chaotic scenes on their cell phones. The iconic Caesar's Palace was also affected by floodwater, as a video posted online showed the ceiling unable to contain the water, which poured onto the carpets. No injuries have been reported at this time, Las Vegas Fire Information Officer, Tim Szymanski, told reporters. Several locations in the valley received over an inch of rain in 2 hours. Winds were blowing up to 80 kilometers per hour, with a record gust of 114 kilometers per hour recorded at Flamingo and Eastern, according to the Las Vegas Review-Journal. As many as 7,300 people reportedly had their power knocked out because of the storm. Elsewhere, local airports are experiencing severe delays as a result of the flooding. Harry Reid International Airport's departure delays were averaging 50 minutes.